Noro TV presenter na host wa show iguma muno ya mwigangaro niarikete kumbura ndeto ndito akibulira mafans ake undu mataroe na oho Kikuyu fraternity na mashabiki ona ginya Kikuyu DJs nimaguthetwo igutha inene muno. Ndeto yake ya muno nirikete gukinyira mashabiki na a Kenya egi DJ umwe wegatu in the Kikuyu sector. DJ urari ngumo gwakane guthaka na gutukania nyimbo cia mugithi DJ Rhymes is no more. Ndeto ino igiconfirmwo ni reporter wa Noro TV kuma mwena wa Murang'a Victor Kinuthia taking to his social media page nyarikite kumbulira a Kenya na mashabiki na kumathereria ati nima DJ Rhymes aligwa aroikaine ni aiki is no more na gukirikana arahurukire kuragumiro ni ndwari ya pneumonia na a Kenya na mashabiki and fellow DJs matekuota kuithakia kiao mini left in shock ni mamushaka na ruo runene muno. Victor Kinuthia kiuga a Kenya makiria muingi wa Murang'a na Ruiru arimendete guthie mugithi ni wamakitio ni gikuku kia John Mushoki aka DJ Rhymes atukanagia nyimbo kirafu-ini kia Del Annex Delview atanathamira kirafu-ini kia Abyss Lounge mwena wa Ruiru akahurukio muci kwao itura-ini ria Kongo-ini kiaro Tuesday ya next week. Ngai aromuhe kihuruko kiega na a Kenya na mafans magituma condolences kuri family. May you rest in eternal peace. Na riu oho a Kenya na bururi mugima ni watigo na kimako kinene muno this afternoon thutha wa ndeto irikitie kwiyumĩria ni kwirikanite gukorwo kwina mwiri wa mundurume umwe wakorwo akionekana atetwo handu bara-ini mwena wa Banana Kiambu. Mundurume uyu akirikana gukorwo ati atauma na nguo one mwena nguo ciake cikugitwo handu kehere ni handu mwena-ini. Undu uyu kimakia a Kenya muno kuona mĩĩrĩ ya anake itiganite ni irakorwo ikionekana guku bururi-ini itetwo na a Kenya makiyuria ni atia kurathie na mbere hoping it's not one of the missing persons. Arigwa a Kenya matigo makiuga no the body is yet to be identified. Na riu a Kenya magikara metereire gukorwo magithererio na guconfirmwo ni maabitha a borithi na authuthuria who the man is. Na riu kuri Nyambura wa Kabuye mumemerekia wa Noro TV uria kurehagira show ya mwigangaro ari kiambiriria kia mwaka mweru ni arakorirwo akiumbura undu aingi mataroe undu ugegetie aingi akiumbulira mafans ati mwaka ucio wathira wa 2024 ndurari mwaka muhuthu harike. It has been a very tough year for her na ndagenda gukorwo akihenania tondu niagerera moritu maingi muno ariguo augite no ateguthathaura kana kumbura niki kiramuhanikire kana niki kiramurituhire mwaka ucio. Niacokete oho akaubulira mafans ati despite all that she is happy that she has made it through na niarehoka ati mwaka uyu wa 2025 ni ukorwo kimwagirira. It will be an easier year for her as compared to the past year 2024. Nyambura Kabuye akiuga 2024 has been a tough year for me while I were too tough but I made it through God's grace. I pray that 2025 will be easier on me. I kick 2025 off with the prayer of Jabez that Father you may bless me indeed and enlarge my territory, that your hand will be upon me, that it will protect me from evil, that I may not cause pain.